I will show you how you can do data visualization using ChatGPT in Python Notebook, and I will be using MLJAR Studio desktop app. The first step is to start a new session. Okay, you can see I have a CSV file. It is World Happiness Report from 2024. Okay, and I will do visualization based on this data. Okay, let's create new notebook. I will save it and rename the file. Okay, and I will be using AI assistant. Please load 2024 CSV. Okay. To display that data, simply run. Okay. It is our data set. Let's do some analysis. Okay, so we have a list of the most happy countries, and let's create a visualization. Create a bar chart with top 10 happy countries. Okay, we have code ready. As you can see, AI assistant is using matplotlib. Let's execute this code and we have the visualization. Okay, let's try to make interactive chart. As you can see, AI assistant is using Plotly and the package is already installed in my environment, and I simply execute the code and I have interactive chart. So I can hide the AI assistant and re-execute the last cell with code to have updated chart. Okay, let's try to make a more complex plot. Okay, and we'll display the happiness as a map. And again, we are using Plotly. Let's make the map larger, and the map is interactive, so I can zoom in and check the happiness of each country. And as you can see, the AI assistant can greatly help you with data visualization. Thank you.